This one is a raw image with the wrong white balance settings, and this one is a JPEG I saved from the raw image with the wrong white balance settings. With raw image, when I choose S-Shot from the dropout menu, it gets back to normal. If it was shot in a wrong way, I can adjust the sliders until I get it right, or click on the background with the white balance tool, assuming it's neutral gray, and it will fix my image. But watch what happens with JPEG. The wrong white balance is set as S-Shot, and when I set it to auto, it doesn't work well. Manual adjustments do not seem to work either, and if I click on the background with the white balance tool, it does no good too. Compare this with the original and you'll see that the image is completely ruined. You can't fix it. Now let's see what happens when you alter the tonal range of images. I said that the raw format gives you more freedom, but it's only crucial when it comes to lost information in shadows or highlights. If a pixel is white or black, JPEG is powerless, and RAW can bring you some information instead of blown-out pixels. But when there is no clipping involved, JPEG is better than you might think. Look at these two images. First one is RAW, the other one is JPEG. They are basically the same image, which is considerably underexposed. I'll grab the shadow slider and move it to the far right on both images. If you look closely, you can see that JPEG is a bit noisier, but it doesn't look much worse than the raw image. And when you set shadows to something like 50, which is enough in this case, it doesn't even look any worse. Not bad for a file that weighs 4 times less, right? This is why I prefer JPEGs for catalog retouching. As long as the white balance is okay and there's no clipping, you're fine.